Hello, my fellow YouTube starters. Today I am going to show you how you can get both your live sub count and others' live sub count on your stream with OBS. I do not know if this works with others. So, with everything through, let's get into it. Of course, before you can add your live subscriber count to your streams, first you need to actually know how to stream. In order to stream, you're going to need streaming software. Me personally, I suggest OBS Studio. The reason I suggest is that it's free, pretty easy to use, and it only takes a few clicks to download. So I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can get to it. Go ahead, I'll wait, so you can walk along with me. So if you have Windows as your computer, just click on Windows, not that complicated. If you have Mac OS, click on Mac OS. If you have so on and so forth. So next, after it's done downloading, which you'll be able to see via the bottom left corner, you could just open it up, and it'll bring you to this. Well, okay, it actually won't bring you to this. I have this already edited in a way where I already have a bunch of things here, but it'll just be a completely black screen. It might not be sized correctly, but go find another video. Maybe I'll make another video for how to size it correctly to YouTube. It's not that complicated. But, so, as you can see here, well, this actually isn't working, and I'll tell you why later. Apart from that, I have the top 80 most subscribed YouTube channels on here. Nothing that complicated once you actually learn how to do it. But I also did have my current live subscribers, and I'll show you how to get that up in just a second. So first I'm going to show you how to, get that up, your live subscribers. So first you're going to want to go back to anything really, and just look up Social Blade extension. Then it's going to lead you to the Chrome Web Store, and then you just have to download the extension. Nothing that complicated. So anyway, after it's done downloading, you're going to want to open a new window and go to YouTube Studio. So if Social Blade is done downloading, there should be at the bottom left a live subscriber count right there, and I only have 4 subscribers. It's kind of pathetic. So you're going to go into streamer mode. You'll see why in a second. And then you can go back to OBS. So then you're going to click Add. I'm not actually going to, but you can click Add and then Window Capture. And then you would choose Sub Count. That's what I'm going to call it. You can call it whatever you want. Okay. And then make sure you get the right one like this. Boom. So it show up like that. I'm actually not going to do that right now, because I already have it. So, I should just discard. You would just save it, press OK. Nothing too hard to understand. You just press OK. You might be saying, "Look at this! It's enormous." Well, don't do what I'm about to do. I'm going to remove it because I already have it correctly. It's enormous. What do I do? So just go to the little at the top, at the corners. You're going to see little red cubes or different colored cubes depending on what's going on with you. Just click one of those cubes and then drag it downwards or forwards and backwards, and you can make it bigger or smaller, but at first you're going to want to make it bigger. You might be saying, but then there's too much, I want to crop it a bit. Well, in order to crop it, you're going to need to click on one of these cubes and press Alt before you click, and then you can crop it, and that's about it. But you might be saying, why does it look so weird? Well, I'm going to explain that to you. Because if you're doing a gaming video, it's not going to fit if there's just a giant green part where it says your subscribers. So you're going to want to go over to Filters at the bottom, and then click on Add, and then go to Color Key. I already have it right here. For the color key settings, you just have to have the key color. It's already set, and it'll be perfectly fine within the context of your stream. Now, the reason it looks so weird for me is because the 4 itself is actually a dark color, aka black, and so is the background of my video, which is why it looks so weird and unable to be seen. But if I were to turn off color key, it would look just fine. But you might be saying, yeah, I can find that out. It's not too tough. But what about how to get these 80 channels? I don't understand that. I can't do something simple. Well, actually, it's super easy as soon as you know how to do it. So, once again, go back to your little window, and not the same window that you opened your live sub count with, because that has to be there and always on that screen. It just has to have a separate screen for itself right there. You can't touch it, nothing. So you're going to want to go to livecounts.io. I will also put a link in the description. And if you were just firing up, it would look a bit different from this, but you just have to click YouTube subscribers, then it would auto to this man Shaz, and then you could personally choose like PewDiePie or T-Series. I'm going to choose PewDiePie. Or if you really wanted to, you could choose a smaller channel. It doesn't have completely live subscriber rates of every channel. It estimates for some of them because that'd be absolutely insane. But it's got around the top 100 in case you were wondering. So you can like, here you do change user and then do like PewDiePie. Oh god. Forgive me. Submit, and then you would just click PewDiePie. And then it would show you your live subscribers. So you don't want to do the same thing that you did previously with new window. No, you just have to go down here to the very bottom with everything, and click on this link. Not really, but copy this link and go back to OBS. I promise we're almost done. So after that, you're going to go press Add and then Browser. So in this browser, you're going to name it, I don't know, PewDiePie live subs. And you click OK, and you're going to want to make the width 300 and the height 80. And then for the URL, you'll just copy and paste the previous URL that I already showed you, and then press OK, and boom, you got it right here. Sometimes it takes a little time to load in, but you just have to wait for it. So if you have any questions, just comment down below. I'll do my best to answer them. If you want to see more videos like this, like a how-to video, planning on making more, so just wait around for that. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of those. And oh look, the PewDiePie thing is loading in. Oh, right, and I do want to clarify, there are two more things that I want to say. So you can also make it smaller or bigger with this as well. It doesn't have to be specific, but the previous width and length that I already told you about, it has to stay like that, or else it's going to be all unbalanced. It's either going to crop something out or make it too big. So I'm actually going to do this, just for now. Anyway, and if you have multiple monitors, instead of doing an alternative window for this, for your personal live sub count, you could just do add and then display capture, and pretty much the exact same thing, as long as you have one monitor that's specifically for your subscribers and your subscribers only. Kind of like you have to have one window that's for your subscribers and your subscribers only. So yeah, that's it. I already told you, like and subscribe if you like the video, and I especially like it if you subscribed, because I feel like if this helped you, I helped you. So you can help me by subscribing and sharing this to your friends. That's all I got. Thanks for watching this, and I'm sorry about the little watermark there. Yeah, I'm a chum. I have the free version. Anyway, see you next time.